Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make an apple and blackberry loaf. Let's begin. To start on the dough, you'll want to grab yourself a mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place all of your bread flour along with the salt, and just combine the two with a whisk until they're fully combined. You can then go ahead and add in the yeast, the egg, milk powder, sugar, butter, blackberries, apples and water. To start the mixing process, you'll want to start it on a low speed for 2 minutes, followed by a further 5 to 6 minutes on a medium-high speed. The dough should be clear and leave the bowl almost clean. You can then go ahead and flour your work surface with a good amount of bread flour, and then place your dough onto it, and you'll just want to give it a brief knead just to work in some of that flour and to make the dough a bit more structured. You can then go ahead and bring the dough back into a ball shape and then place it into a bowl which has been lightly oiled with some flavourless oil. Make sure you brush all the way around the bowl, as this dough does rise up, and if it sticks in some parts you'll lose some of the dough. You can then go ahead and place the dough into the oiled bowl, cover with cling film and leave somewhere for around 60 minutes or until it's doubled in size. Once it's doubled in size, you'll want to remove the cling film, flour your work surface and place it onto it, and then knock it back. This is just a process of removing the gases that are built up in the dough during the first proof. You can then go ahead and start to bring the dough back into a ball shape, but you'll want to roll it into more of a sausage shape, or as I can call it, a loaf shape. Then place it into your prepared loaf pan or tin. Just put some parchment or oil it, whichever works best for you. Place in your dough, cover with cling film and leave for around an hour or until it has doubled in size. So here is what the dough looks like once it's fully proofed. You can then remove the cling film, and as an optional finish, just sprinkle over some oats, but again this is completely optional and you don't have to do it. This is what the loaf looks like before it goes in the oven. All the baking times and temperatures will be in the blog post, which will be linked down below. So here is what the loaf looks like once it's fully baked and cooled. You can then start to slice it up however you like. I just went with a couple of slices, and it isn't really nice toasted. You can enjoy it as a savoury recipe, but it also works as a sweet recipe, so whichever works best for you. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again on Thursday with another video, so join me then. But in the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description of this video. There'll be a link to this blog post, a link to my blog, and links to all my social media, so don't forget to go and check that out if you're interested. Follow me on Instagram, as I do post on my stories with some behind the scenes stuff sometimes. But that's all for today. Bye guys.